Hey, welcome to the Beers Jacket Barbecue. Check out the Wagyu chuck eyes we did on the SNS Travel Kettle. Hey, I'm Craig, Mimic on Hammers Jack. Yes, got two really nice Wagyu chuck steaks from Hassell Cattle Farms. Season them with Montreal Steak Seasoning, so I don't have the seasoning sitting out here because everybody kind of knows what Montreal seasoning is. It's just a good old seasoning that just works well. Thought I'd hit these yesterday, did it 24 hours in advance. Been sitting here absorbing that flavor. Today we're just gonna, these are kind of square almost, or rectangle I should say. Just might do a minute aside and see where we're at temperature wise. I am gonna probe them the whole time just to kind of help me watch as we go and get them on the grill. I got the fire going pretty hot to sear away. We'll start searing. All right, let's get these on. As I said, we're going to go a minute aside, and I might do all four sides at this point just to see where it lands on this doneness, but we'll keep you posted. All right, there's 1 minute. Not thinking I was getting as much as I wanted out of it. It didn't do too bad for the first minute. Right now they're running pretty close to even as far as temperature. One's at 60, one's at 57. A minute, see if we can get some sides going now. This one's a thinner one, which that one is ahead now by about 7 degrees. So, almost made the whole minute. Boy, it's getting a nicer on that one. That one's getting close. It's like at 87 right now. But at one point, maybe when it gets about 110 even, I'm going to set that one to the cooler side here while the other one still goes. The other one's about 20 degrees behind right now. You got a nice sizzle going on there, and that one's, like I said, 97 now. Probably after this sear, I'm going to probably just let this one kind of hang out on the cooler side all the time for a little bit and see where it rises to. And that's looking good. So I'm going to let that one kind of hang out. It's at 110 right now, and it was 106 when I turned the grill there. And we'll see where it goes. The other one here is only at 70 all the way at the tip. Just getting an early warning temp there. Yeah, it's showing it all the way at the most thick end there is 70 degrees. Everywhere else it's towards 100. And this one here, believe it or not, it rose about 12 degrees. Actually, it just gave me the message. So we don't want that one. Hopefully that's going to finish about 125 to 128 over here, away from everything. I'll keep this one over here. Get this one away from the heat completely because it wants to keep climbing over there. I'm actually going to take a reading on that one just to see where we're at. Just because it's the tip. I think I'm hitting right in the middle of the fat, and that's why I'm not getting the good reading. So I'm going to actually pull this one off too. See you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. 2 Wagyu chuck eyes from Hassell Cattle Farm. And you saw me just had the MeatStick V in there. Probed them the whole time, seared them, just kept searing them until it was kind of done. This fatter one here, the tip was missing, like I was getting a bad reading, and I really felt like I got to check this, and that's why I did the instant read there, just to verify, because the rest of the stick was showing it was much warmer than that very tip. So I was catching fat and something in there that wasn't cooperating. Once I checked them, pulled them off, this one here actually rose to almost 135 from, I think I pulled it at 116. And it rose to 135 before it stopped. So let's see how I did here. Got a great crust on these. Oh yeah, got some good medium rare going on in there yet. Again, Montreal seasoning 24 hours in advance, so this is gonna be good. Wow. Yeah, that crust on there is beautiful by doing it that way. And being thinner, you can get away with that. Man, this is going to be good. So hopefully, like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.